see here, this is the area where you are seeing all the different flats that are allocated for different people from the slum dwellers. One slum dwelling community, slum yahi pe hai, and then they moved all those people to the nearby areas. You can see these apartments here. The best part of this is, you can see that the entire community is very well guarded. You can see the barbed wires that are put here, yahan pe. And inside of the community, you can see that there is a Swasthya clinic. You can see the DUSUB, DUSIB. DUSIB comes under the Delhi government. अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार जो है, उस सरकार की अंडर में आती है DUSUB, DUSIB में. So DUSUB का स्वास्थ्य क्लिनिक यहीं पे है. So the slum dwellers की जितने भी health problems, family problems जो भी होती है, it is being taken care of in the clinic that is there. Prabhat, you can show that clinic जो है वहाँ पे. That is the स्वास्थ्य clinic that we have got. It is a guarded community and पानी सब कुछ ये पे, it's all centralized. Let's move to that direction. You can see how this is well built, very well managed, and बहुत अच्छी तरीके से किया था. If you can come this way. Generally the nature of the people who are living here, you can see a bunch of autos यहाँ पे है. There is another auto यहाँ पे है. There is an e-rickshaw here also. You can see the e-rickshaw. There is an e-rickshaw here.
Yes.
So that's the e-rickshaw here. And the best part of it is, there is a phenomenal park that was built by the Delhi government. How we can show it here. These are all slum dwellers हैं, जो बच्चे जो यहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं. They're all from the slums. Look at this park. How phenomenally it is built. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से है. इस पार्क में बच्चे लोग हैं, जो लोग हैं, they're playing here. कुछ लोग खाना पका रहे हैं. They're sitting here, they're eating, they're sleeping, they're doing everything. This is the best part of the government. If we have a proactive government which takes care of these sort of things. The allotment was delayed for quite a long time, and once Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar had come to power, the totally moved all these people into this area here. You can see that there is a park that is constructed here, a beautiful